Hey there food lovers, welcome back to the channel, your ultimate guide to getting the most out of your Uber Eats experience. Today I'm going to show you how to add an item to your order using the Uber Eats website. Let's get started. First, open your favorite web browser and go to Uber Eats website. If you are not already logged in, go ahead and sign in. Once you are logged in, start by searching for a restaurant you want to order from. You can use the search bar at the top of the page to find your favorite spots. Here you will see the available items categorized for easy browsing. To add an item to your order, simply scroll through the menu and click on the item you want. A pop-up window will appear with customization options. Choose any customizations or add-ons you want. Then click to add to order. You will see the item adding to your cart. On checkout page, confirm your delivery details and payment method, then place order. And that's it, your delicious meal is on its way. Adding an item to your Uber Eats order is quick and easy. Now you can customize your meal exactly the way you want it. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more quick tips and tricks. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy eating!